Hey guys, and welcome back to our kitchen. It's Saturday night. We're getting crazy making Greek salad, my world famous Greek salad. Reason we're making this is because I think it's a great option to get lots of vegetables in. It's very versatile because if you make this salad, all you need basically is a protein option or a meat option, fish option, whatever it is. But what I also like about this is that we're going to show you how to turn it into 3 other meals. So you make one big salad and you can save it for the next day, and it's going to help with your meal prep. Okay, so let's get started.
So.